Are you in the new outdoor motion sensor light? You're in luck. There are a ton of great options on the market, and we've narrowed it down to the top 5. Keep reading to learn more about each light and find the perfect one for your needs. So let's get started with the list. List number 250 LED motion sensor lights. This solar motion sensor light outdoor is equipped with 120-degree angle and sensitive motion sensor, which can provide illumination widely and without delay. Once the sensor of solar spotlights outdoor detect the motion, there will be 30 seconds illumination and no motion detected for 20 seconds. The light will automatically turn off. This product is suitable for indoor and outdoor use, such as the household, garden, garage, and so on. 250 LED 4 adjustable heads design can move upwards, downwards, and horizontally. With a LED light source, it can achieve efficient lighting and save energy. With a motion sensor function, it can detect any motion in the room to automatically adjust the brightness to the ideal level. In addition, it can also be used as a night lamp for children's bedroom or office. List number: Baxia Technology Solar Outdoor Lights. The Baxia Outdoor Solar Motion Sensor Light can provide illumination and safety protection when sensing the motion within a range of 10 to 16 feet and angle of 120 degrees. The built-in very sensitive PIR motion sensor provides illumination and safety protection when sensing the motion within a range of 10 to 16 feet and angle of 120 degrees. Fewer LED beads does not mean lower brightness. Built-in high-brightness LED beads perfectly meets both your security and lighting requirements. When passing the front door, backyard, garden fence, or garage, you will absolutely love the brightness of our solar lights. Our solar light is specifically designed to handle extreme weather conditions, rainy, windy, or snowy days, as it's made from high-strength ABS shell as well as high-quality solar panels. It will work hard to light up your house, even on a rainy, windy, or snowy day. List number: UME19W LED Floodlight Motion Sensor Outdoor. The open-source 12W Intelligent Motion Sensor Floodlight is an aesthetically pleasing and energy-efficient, easy-to-install lighting solution for your home or business. The open-source 12W Intelligent Motion Sensor Floodlight features a unique design that allows users to customize the light color, brightness, and color temperature according to personal preference. 100% brand new, recyclable, and easy to install. Its easy-to-install mounting design makes the lighting simple, safe, and flexible. Dual head and motion sensor heads fold flat for storage, so it doesn't take up space or clutter your garage or basement. It can be placed under eave and soffit because of its flexible design. You can adjust anywhere you want for better installation flexibility. Its plug-and-play wire system requires no tools to install and only requires 5 minutes of construction time. You can protect furniture from damage easily with this 3 modes of lighting and even control temperature with the environmental protection function. List number: Onforu 55W LED Security Lights Motion Sensor Light Outdoor. The Onforu 55W LED Security Lights Motion Sensor Light Outdoor is perfect for home security and outdoor protection. The triple heads of this light can be adjusted to cast light in a 270-degree detection zone, so you can see everything that's happening in your yard. This motion sensor lights outdoor is made of durable aluminum. It has excellent heat dissipation, which is more sturdy, more efficient thin-type heatsink design and high-quality aluminum housing material. Equipped with advanced motion sensor technology, the 100W outdoor LED floodlight can change the brightness automatically according to lighting surroundings, with powerful illumination and energy-saving design. The 55W outdoor floodlight is illuminated by 112 high-quality and efficient LED beads, producing up to 5500 LM high brightness output, equivalent to 400W traditional normal bulbs, saving 85% of your electricity bill. It can be adjusted to cast light in a 270-degree detection zone. This outdoor waterproof security light can be used for outdoor security surveillance. List number: Power LED Security Lights Motion Sensor Light Outdoor. The outdoor motion sensor security light is the perfect security addition to your home. Powered by LED lamp beads as the security lighting source, the outdoor motion sensor can be triggered by the moving human, cars, or animals, up to 72 feet sensing range at 180-degree detection angle. Brings extra safety to your home. You can adjust the 3 security light heads and motion sensor head to a different angle as your requirement. This outdoor solar-powered security light can be installed for wall mounting by following a few wiring steps. When the security light is triggered, the lighting time is 10 seconds to 10 minutes. Solar-powered off eco-friendly battery-powered solar-powered LED light with function of on, off, and sensing feature replaces conventional halogen-level bulbs. All you need is just 1 hour for installation. It saves 80% electricity bill compared with equivalent traditional halogens, 175 watts.